I'm Randy and I make candy, and today I'm making spooky Halloween treats. Stick around.
Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. October 30th is National Candy Corn Day, and November is National Peanut Butter Lovers Month, so I thought this would be the perfect time to make a treat that combines the two. It's a white chocolate fudge with candy corn and peanut butter, topped with a milk chocolate ganache. It's pretty simple, and I think you're really going to like it. I found the recipe on the How to Make Easy Fudge website, and there are a lot of great ideas there. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check them out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Butterfinger fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. And if you stick around after the recipe, I'll share some candy corn facts that just might surprise you. For this recipe, I used 3 cups of candy corn, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 2 cups of milk chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm also using some bowls, a couple of spatulas, an 8x8 pan, and some parchment. Okay, let's make some candy. Line the baking pan and set it aside. Cut or break the candy corn into small pieces. Place the candy corn and sweetened condensed milk in a large microwave-safe mixing bowl, then microwave it for 1 minute. Remove the mixture and give it a stir. Repeat until all the candy corn is melted. It totaled 5 minutes for me. Add the peanut butter and white chocolate chips. Stir well, then let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the residual heat to melt the chips. Stir until everything is combined. Pour the fudge into the lined pan, spread it into an even layer, and set it aside. Add the milk chocolate and heavy whipping cream to a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it for 45 seconds, then let it rest in the microwave for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the bowl and stir the mixture until it's melted and smooth. Pour the ganache over the fudge and spread it evenly. Refrigerate it until the ganache is fully set. I kept it in the fridge overnight. Cut the fudge into as many pieces as you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte mhath. The ganache and fudge are both just delightfully smooth and creamy. The strongest flavor is the peanut butter, followed closely by the chocolate, but you do get a subtle hint of that vanilla marshmallow flavor of the candy corn. If I was really trying to recreate the Butterfinger experience, I might add some corn flakes to bring the crunch, but I think for straight fudge, this is about as close as you're gonna get. If you've got some candy corn laying around the house after Halloween, you really ought to try these. Candy corn was invented in the 1880s by George Renninger, who worked for the Wonderly Candy Company in Philadelphia. But it was the Görlitz Confectionery Company that mass-produced the candy and spread it nationwide. The Görlitz Confectionery Company is now known as the Jelly Belly Candy Company, and they still produce candy corn, as well as the jelly beans for which they're so well known. Although it was always shaped like corn, candy corn was initially called chicken feed, with the tagline, "Something worth crowing for." And finally, about 9 billion pieces of candy corn are produced every year, enough to circle the moon nearly 4 times. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'll share some... But it was the Görlitz candy...